Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mini Pac-Man versus Takami's full fight. We'll dive deep into the action, examining the pivotal rounds and strategic decisions that shape the outcome. Get ready to explore the techniques and resilience displayed by both boxers, helping you decide which performance truly stood out. Let's break down this memorable boxing encounter together. Mini Pac-Man, known for his incredible agility, consistently delivered rapid-fire punches. His ability to move swiftly around the ring created openings, allowing him to connect with significant blows. He also absorbed some tough shots, proving his durability and determination. His offensive pressure was a constant factor, keeping Takami on the defensive for much of the bout. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this breakdown, please hit that like button and subscribe for more boxing content. Quick recommendation: after a long fight, you need good fuel. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your post-workout meals fresh and organized. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Takami approached the fight with a more measured strategy, often waiting for opportunities to counter. He utilized a tight guard to block many of Mini Pac-Man's flurries, looking for precise moments to land his own punches. While facing relentless pressure, Takami showed discipline in his defense, trying to disrupt Mini Pac-Man's rhythm and conserve his energy for later rounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.